Have you seen those super cute crayon-style profile pictures all over Facebook lately? They look like colorful hand drawings made by a kid, and honestly, they look amazing. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your normal Facebook profile into a cute crayon drawing. First, open Facebook and go to your profile page, just like I'm doing on the screen right now. Now take a screenshot of your full profile. Now open ChatGPT on your browser or app and log in your account. Now, upload the screenshot you just took. After uploading, paste this prompt. Now send the prompt and wait a few seconds. The AI will generate a brand new crayon-style version of your Facebook profile. And that's it. The crayon-style drawing created successfully. That's how you can turn your Facebook profile into an adorable crayon-style drawing using AI. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Comment below what style you want me to make next. Thanks for watching.